rainy. It's rainy day. We're going to divert that to the tank.
Rainy day on the upper deck.
Don't flat the camera.
It's a nice cool day today. Our water catching. Once we have our tanks, we can run some PVC. But for right now, just hitting the top of the roof. Well, you could see Cebu a little while ago, but not anymore. The rain kind of comes and goes here. Nice and cool on the upper deck though. We got our tiles now. At least for the upper deck, we got the tiles. We got 26 boxes. About 300 pieces. 40 by 40 centimeters. This will be the style up on the upper deck. I estimated it to be about 400 square feet, I think. Somewhere in that neighborhood. Got 26 boxes with 12 pieces in each box. We don't have our flashing gutters or our flashing wall flashing on yet, so it's leaking through a little bit. But next week, I think, next week or the week after, we'll get all the wall flashing on here. Pretty loud here without some kind of ceiling on. This will tile this all too. We'll probably use a different outdoor tile back here and on the front porch. Looks like the rain passed. Got our water collection for mixing the cement. I think before we start doing the driveway, we'll get our water tanks so that they can have an easy way of getting water, because we're going to need a lot of concrete to start doing our driveway. So We'll get the water tank set up over here, and then the other one on the upper deck. Well, they'll start. Think we'll do a little New Year's Eve party upstairs. Maybe I'll live stream if it's nice and clear and we can see the fireworks in Cebu. We'll use the same tiles over here, I think, in the front that we use in the back. And we'll have to do a lot of concrete work to make our road coming up here. And our carport over here. And I guess our neighbor here is gonna, I think they're gonna tear down all their chicken coops and move them. So we're gonna have a wall here, but we may not. We may just build it up halfway and then go halfway with wrought iron or angle iron. That's what they commonly use here. Okay, that's it for the update.